How to become a vendor on Fire Kirin. Fire Kirin is a vibrant marketplace for unique products and services. If you are looking to reach a larger audience and expand your business, this guide will walk you through the essential steps. First things first, open up any browser that you like. Here I am going to use a Chrome. Tap on Chrome. Then search for Fire Kirin website over here. Tap on it. Let's go to the firekirin.com. Then you will be taken to Fire Kirin dashboard. This is how the Fire Kirin dashboard look like. And once you're in the dashboard, simply tap on the twisted line between the Fire Kirin and the contact number. Tap on it. That will open up an options for you. From then, simply tap on contact drop down. That will open up you an option for become a vendor. Simply tap on it. And then you will be taken to this type of interface where you have to submit your first name, last name, phone number, email and message. After filling all of them, you have to tap on get in touch with the Fire Kirin. It may take some time to process your request. And once approved, you have to set up your vendor profile. For that, upload a high quality images of your products and write a compelling description. Make sure your storefront reflects your brand identity, as this will attract the potential customer. So these are the after process. I will not be able to show the rest process because I'm not going to apply for the vendor. So this was the whole process about applying for the vendor. And after it's got approved, you have to make your vendor profile and upload high quality images of your products and write compelling description. Also make a storefront which reflects your brand identity, as this will attract the potential customer. For that, you have to determine your pricing strategy. Consider the factors like cost, competition and target masses. Also set up your shipping options, and after that, don't forget to promote your store. That was it. Becoming a vendor in a Fire Kirin is an excellent opportunity to showcase your products and grow your business. Good luck for your business. And at last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.